Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90. It's on a 22 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, first of all though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space of the vehicle. First of all, the tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the button on the bottom of the key just here, or the tailgate itself, of course. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, and that is with 7 seats in place. It's very easy to drop these rear two. Just push that up, the headrest will fold down out the way, and you can drop the seat down. And just there you can see how much that will increase this boot space by. It's also worth noting you can drop down those middle row of seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer, a digital readout for the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. Within that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. You can change the information that's displayed in this central section. For example, you can see there that you can bring up your trip computer, which has also got the odometer, so the total mass of this car, they are 36,527. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, first of all, we have our cruise control. On the right-hand side, we have our stereo and phone controls, and into the center, the main touchscreen. So this one physical button will bring you back to the main menu, which is the one that you are looking at right now. You can swipe on any of these panels. So for example, you can swipe to the right. You can also swipe it over to the left as well, or tap on the panel to open up that particular section. So we have our audio section, for example, just there. Below that, we can pair our phone. We have a car status menu, and at the very bottom, we have our dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can adjust the fan speed just here. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed once it enters the car. And then you can turn your air conditioning on, which is what I've just done. Same button will turn that back off again. Or hit auto just there, and the car will take control of everything to maintain the temperatures that you have selected down here. We've also got a heated driver seat with 3 different heat settings, heated steering wheel, and a heated passenger seat with 3 heat settings as well. You can see there's a camera button just there. That will open up the parking camera, or simply putting the vehicle into reverse will of course do that as well. Below that, we've got the main physical controls for your stereo, including your volume there. You can also skip tracks and tune your radio with the buttons. These sections both open up, so the smaller one will open up to reveal a 12-volt charging socket. The larger one, a wireless phone charging pad just there, as well as 2 cup holders. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. This is where you start and stop the engine for the car, so that is the car switched off and back on again. And then we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.